Hello James, how are you? Hope you are doing well. I'm just thinking to record this video to you because I stuck on something. Not really hard, but I don't want to spend time a lot because I knew you have experience in this kind of stuff more than me. Basically, I'm working on face recognition, but I did it first. I create a flow on Raspberry Pi. So this Node-RED has been open on right side the Raspberry Pi, as you can see from the address. And I totally complete this flow, and but I have used a node called file, which is that one, file in that node, which is that one, which take the path of the image and the output like this, and that's all. But now it's on Raspberry Pi has done its own local Node-RED. Now I want to move this flow to IBM Cloud Node-RED, which is that one I have been already created from my account, and I name it like face recognition. It is running. Then if I go to visit it, it will show me that flow. Then when I came to here to just let me show you what I did exactly. I just take my flow from here, copy it, and include it to IBM Cloud. From here, now board, then include it. Then it will be that my flow exactly. But the problem is I have file node is not now unknown inside the IBM Cloud. I have to sort of research about how can I install file in node or any file node which is already located under the storage section, but I couldn't find node called file. So please, if you knew any think about this node, let me know, or if you know how can I install it inside IBM Bluemix, please let me know. Also, James, please, I have noticed something. When I create, for example, this flow now, if I close it or I refresh the page, the flow will disappear. Do you know why? Because, for example, that one, now I have refreshed the page. I expected to see the flow again. Moved. I don't know where exactly it disappeared. It happened that with me more than one time, and I did recreate the flow again and again. Do you have any idea, in spite that this application is already stored in the IBM Bluemix? I mean, I created and secured the node, and by putting username and password, I follow all the process for create the flow on Node-RED. But I don't know, when I create it first, it appear here. Then when I, for example, when I put it, it will create is fine then, but when I close the Node-RED or I log out or I refresh the page, the flow will disappear. Do you have any information about that? Thank you very much, James.